What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete contact poster on iPhone running on iOS 17. Let's hop into the steps. First, go over to the phone app. Then tap on contacts below. In here, look for that specific contact poster that you want to delete. Then tap on it. Once you have selected that contact, tap the Edit button at the top right. Now below the contact poster, once again tap the Edit button. Then it will show you here all of that contact poster that you have created for that person. To delete a contact poster, simply swipe up on the poster. Then tap the delete icon that will show up. Then tap delete to confirm. Next, tap the done button located at the top. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.